Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a one-sample binomial test using SPSS and specifically that the percentage that you're looking for is 50%, or see if it actually is different from 50%, 0.5. That's important because things become quite more complex with SPSS. I don't think it even can be done if you want a two-sided test where the hypothesis is not set at 0.5. As an example, I have here some data about something about students, and one of the questions was about their gender, and they could only choose between male and female, and there was a no response, so that's a missing value. And the data is of course in the data view, and if I scroll a bit to the right, it was near the end, the question was asked, and where is it? Gender, there we go. And there's ones and twos, and female and male. So the one sample binomial test can be found under Analyze and then non-parametric tests, and then go for one sample. Then click on Fields. Note that all the fields are on the test fields, so press Ctrl A, click on one, then press Ctrl A, and actually move everything to the left. I don't know why SPSS puts them all to the right already. The only one I'm interested in is that gender one, so that's over here. Move it to the right, and then click on the Settings tab, click on Customize Tests, and then click on Compare Observed Binary Probabilities to Hypothesized Binomial Test. So make sure that one's checked. You can click under Options, and there's the hypothesized proportion. You can change it, but then it will only do a one-sided test. It's just fine to leave it at first category found in the data, and simply click on OK and then on Run. In the output, I think it's hidden here, there we go. We now get this model summary, and in this case one sample binomial test. The significance is below 0.05, so usually that would be considered significant. And we reject the null hypothesis, so the percentages are significantly different from 0.5, 50%. If I double click on this, I'll get the model viewer, which shows me some more information. As you can see, this was observed, so I had 26% female and 74% male, and of course I expected it to be 50-50. Again, here is the result. This is an exact binomial test, and that is actually all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If so, please subscribe because that really helps out a lot. Thank you for watching.